lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Arms take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hello Pisces, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for March 22nd to March the 31st reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live po tayo dyan. Pwede po kayong sumali. You're very much welcome to do so. No? Marami tayong pag-uusapan katulad ng iyong finances, career, job, romance, of course, different stages ng romance. Mag-start tayo sa singles na naghahanap. Okay? And then, we will check din sa mga crushes, sa no labels, no? Sa magjowa, no? Sa mag-asawa, and if there's a third-party situation na lalabas, why not? No? Pag-usapan din natin yan. So, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or baka konti lamang, no? Check what's only yours or take what's only yours, no? Simulan na natin. Pisces. So, this is a very much Pisces energy na pinipili natin mag-isa dahil meron tayong mga plano, no? Magandang plano or either magandang plano sa sarili, magandang plano sa iba. But we are actually looking to experiencing, no? For a few numbers of you, baka kasi iniisip natin kailangan natin mag-travel or kailangan natin mag-invest, no? Ng time natin sa ibang mga bagay-bagay, whether it is reading, learning new things, no? Yung curiosity natin ngayon, parang nandito tayo sa energy of wanting to move, no? Hindi nyo napapansin yan. Maybe because this is of the Mercury retrograde, na parang na-disrupt yung tubig. Kumbaga sa isang, ang tawag dito, planggana, no? Parang kinakaukaw. So, hindi naman tayo bothered. Hindi tayo nababother. No? Ang sinasabi lang natin is, dahil medyo shaky siya, we're trying to seek for not really a place of comfort, but a place of happiness, a place of hope. No? With the moon card in here, ang dami kasi natin naiisip lately, baka tayo kasi minsan ang pinakamalaking ang pinaka-affected when it comes to the retrogrades. So, medyo hindi tayo nakakatulog-tulog. Hindi nyo ba napapansin? So, siguro disrupted ang tulog nyo, no? So, medyo hindi balance eh. Kahit wala naman tayong ginagawa, either lagi tayong napupuyat or lagi tayong tulog, no? There's something about our sleeping habits na medyo affected. So, when it comes to finances, I feel like there's some good news that you're doing, something that, ano ba itong pinag-iisip mo? Kasi ayaw mong sabihin. Ang daming plano, ang daming options, ang daming mong pwedeng gawin. Kaso ang tanong, ano ang uunahin mo? Dito kasi medyo, aminin na natin yan, Pisces, no? Pisces can be bored easily, and para matanggal yung boredom, ang ginagawa kasi ni Pisces is to open a lot of doors. And yun nga lang, kadalasan hindi natatapos. I think that we need to prioritize or probably manage, no? Ano ba ang una natin dapat gawin? No? Kasi what I am seeing in here, either pumasok dito sa I'm seeing here, magpagawa ng bahay, construction, what have you. Or makipag-usap, mag-travel, manood, no? Or makipagsalamuha sa mga friends. what is your priority? Gusto mo kasing ipagsiksikan ito sa loob ng isang sa loob ng isang araw or sa loob ng isang buwan, you want this all to be finished, no? Hindi ko sinasabing hindi naman natin kaya. We just need to manage things, no? But when it comes to finances, I feel like there is some good news that will show up, or an opportunity. It may be the financial opportunity na inaantay natin. Pero kailangan nating katukin, no? Hindi ito basta lang maglaland sa lap natin, no? Wala naman dito yung Wheel of Fortune. Mapapasa atin pa rin ito if we are going to take some actions, no? Whether it is i-email, i-follow up, pumunta doon mismo, pero with the 9 of Cups, this is a wish fulfillment, no? If this is a career or job, I'm seeing meron din magandang balita. It may not be the same opportunity, but almost close like. Paano ba? It's closer to what you want, no? Hindi man yon, baka ibang kulay lang, no? If this is, let's say, a bag, baka hindi ito yung specific color pero same bag, no? I'm seeing here that you might also gonna be transferred either to a different department, different company, or a different place. For a few numbers of you, there's also an opportunity for you to go abroad. I feel like there's something about the location wherein ito yung parang wini-wish nating mapuntahan, or wini-wish nating doon tayo makapagtrabaho. Na when it comes to romance, let's start with single. I feel like meron taong bigla kang bubulagain or biglang bubulaga sa iyo. Bubulaga, hindi bubulagta, ha? So, ibig sabihin, parang merong taong kasing, either for a few numbers of you, meron kayong mga kaafam, no? Na hindi na kasi uso ang pen pal ngayon. Diyos ko, ano ba ito sinasabi ko? Pen pal is so old, no? Yung ka-chat, ayan. So, meron kayong mga ka-chat, and I feel like gustong bumisita ito sa iyo, no? Whether it is a fam or LDR kayo, no? I feel like there's a plan of wanting to see you in person. If this is crushes, I feel like meron taong gustong kumausap sa inyo kaso nahihiya lamang, no? Medyo pinipigilan pa, or ikaw itong nagpipigil, no? You can change or switch the energies here. For no labels, I feel like kailangan mo namang magsalita. Kasi nandito kasi isang sitwasyon na hindi mo alam kung paano ka kikilos, kung anong arte ang gagawin mo. Minsan nagsiselos tayo pero hindi naman tayo pwede dahil there's no label. Kapag nagsalita ka, I feel like mabibigyan ito ng pansin or mabibigyan katuparan ng iyong wishes kasi this is a wish of fulfillment, the 9 of Cups. So kung magjowa, do you have plans of traveling? Madami rin kayong mga gustong gawin. I feel like sa sobrang dami, ito yung nagiging conflict eh. Sa dami ng gusto nyong gawing magjowa, there might be some conflict with the schedules. So, both of you need to sit that down, no? Probably do some pillow talks or talks, doesn't matter. Pag-usapan yung mabuti. Huwag sana dumating dun sa part na iba yung gustong gawin ng isa, unahin yung isa, no? Pagplanuhan maayos. Ma-achieve naman yan as long as there's good communication at nagkakaintindihan kayong dalawa, no? Kung mag-asawa, what I'm seeing in here is, wow, parang meron kayong inaantay. Is it a gift to you? Is it something that will be given? I feel like there's also some invitations na parang free to travel for a few numbers of you. Meron din kayong mga pinaplano dito. Oy, parang meron ako mga nakikitang maipapadala, no, sa ibang bansa, sa ibang lugar. I think na yung inyong partner ay nandoon na, so migration ba tawag doon? You know what I mean. So let's check in here the 9 of Wands, the 9 of Pentacles. Oy, I'm seeing angel number 999. Mamaya tignan natin yan. Hindi kasi ko, what do you mean that? Hindi kasi ko numerologist, no? Pero nakita ko agad yung 999. So, tignan natin. Sandali lang ha. Angel number 999. 999. Angel number. Angel number 999 signifies completion and new beginnings. It urges trust in the process of life, brings closure to the relationship and careers, and encourage reflection and growth. Embracing changes, practicing non-resistance, and remaining open-heartedly are the key. So, ibig sabihin, no, kung meron man tayong mga wini-wish, eto nga yun, yung wish granted. At hindi natin kailangan siguro pang gumawa pa ng way para ma-achieve yun kasi it will be given open-heartedly, no? It will be given to us even without lifting a finger. Ito nga siguro yung sinasabi, no, with the 9 of Wands. You need to open your window, door, mind to all the possibilities kasi I'm seeing here stability and happiness. There is some offers in here which will be given to you, and I feel like katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, hindi man siya maglaland sa lap mo pero there's an opportunity, ikaw lang ang magpapagrow nito. So parang meron kang binigyan ka ng isang check, let's say, no? There's a huge amount of check. Ngayon, ikaw ang magdidesisyon, what are you gonna do with it? No, gastusin ba siya? Or mag-invest para lumago? No? So, when it comes to finances, siguro yun na nga yun. No? Para may inaantay tayong something na medyo malaki-laking pera kasi 9 of Pentacles, almost the 10 of Pentacles. No? Kulang lang ng isa para maging 10, but 9, 10 of Pentacles is the highest form of the abundance. 9, not bad. Malaki-laki pa rin yan. No? That would, sino dito yung mga gustong bumili ng bahay? I feel like makakalipat tayo ng lugar, bahay, with some investment in here at pwede pa tayo makapagbigay or makatulong or makabigay sa ating mga magulang, no? When it comes to career or job, so this is the opportunity. All we just need to do is to accept this because from what I'm seeing, happiness is already there, stability is already there. I feel like we just need to do something about it. Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, probably follow up, no? With the romance, singlehood. Open your door to it. Kasi meron nang namumuo no? May namumuong regla. Just kidding, no? May namumuo na baboy. May namumuo na sa inyo na para meron nang namumuong emotion, no? I think that someone here just need to either accept, give it, or probably ask for it. Syempre, Pisces, this is for you, no? I think you should ask for it for you to gain it. Meron tayong kailangan gawin kahit papaano, no? For us to get the highest form of the abundance. Abundance may mean different things, no? For different people. Some people might, they think that their abundance is money, time, energy, effort, relationship, kung anong mahalaga sa'yo, it doesn't matter, no? I think na kailangan natin tong katukin, no? Kailangan nating somewhat, no, gisingin para at least ma-achieve natin. Nandyan na sa paligid. Kailangan na lang nating pitasin, no? Hindi ito yung parang si Wang Tamad, nahihiga ka lang lalaglag, no? Hindi. Kailangan mong tumayo, pipitasin mo siya, no? With crushes, ganun din, kailangan mo magsalita. For no label, kailangan mo rin magsalita. Matagal na tayo nananahimik for us to get what we want. Kasi meron namang offer, no? So, magjowa. Is there, I feel like both of you are thinking of kumuha ng sariling bahay, magsama sa isang bahay, apartment, condo, or probably just a room, it doesn't matter, for the both of you to start something new, no? Kung mag-asawa, ang nakikita ko dito, makakausad, meron ditong movement no, sa mga mag-asawa. The good news is, there's an elevation, whether it is elevation ng ibang bahay, I'm seeing different place. Ito nga yung sinasabi ko kanina, baka merong yung inyong asawa ay nasa ibang lugar, no? Baka kukunin kayo or kukunin nyo sila. Parang mabubuo, magsasamang muli, and that is the happiness that, you know, someone is asking for. For a few numbers of you, I feel that both of you are going to make it sort of hand in hand together, work this investment. I feel like both of you are going to invest on this. There will be an agreement for, there is some financial improvements in here para sa mga mag-asawa, no? Let's get some more cards. And gusto ko lang pong ipaalala sa inyo na doon po sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our foreign, no? International audience. Pero pwede po kayong sumali doon. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayong sumali dito or magtanong, as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no dito po sa comment section. Pero kung hindi po kayo, no, papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. Sa description box po ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website na dun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per question for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. However, kung wala po kayong funds or kung gusto mo na siyang itry, no, for a free personal video reading, follow me sa Facebook, Babaylan TV. Ayan, para po at least makita nyo po yung, meron po akong pinost doon, nakapin, nandun po yung mechanics on how to join, no? So let's get some more cards. Now is not the time. So parang sinasabi dito na, siguro ito yung mga part na hinihila natin, no? Instead of minamagnetize natin, hinihila natin siya. Magnetized is more of, sabihin natin, wala tayong ginagawa, but there is a force na sa kusa, no? So, I feel like tanggalin natin itong pressure, no, ng paghila dito sa energy na ito. Let's check the message of the universe. Your life is about to start moving quickly in some areas. Hindi man lahat ng areas, at least you're seeing some improvements. Babalik yung sigla, babalik yung flow ng money, babalik yung flow. Again, what abundance is, yun yung abundance na nagfo-focus tayo, no? Events that seems to have been on hold suddenly propel forward. So, kung meron man tayo mga inaantay, no, in the previous months na parang naka-hold, hindi nag-move, eto na nga yung sinasabi, ibuka mo na ang iyong mga braso, no, ang iyong palad dahil uulanin ka na, no, ng mga biyaya. Move with the flow and be mindful of what you need or what needs your attention the most. Ito yung sasabi ko kanina, no? Sa dami ng gusto mong gawin, i-prioritize natin kung ano yung dapat gawin, no? Make decisions rationally but sensibly. Okay lang naman, no, maging rational or gamitin ng isip. Pero as a Pisces, gamitin din natin ang intuition kasi doon tayo magaling. Pero hindi rin puro intuition, kailangan meron din rational, no, na implications, no. So parang babalansehin natin. So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. For romance, this can be their sun sign or they have some placement of this in their chart, no? I'm seeing Pisces, Taurus, Scorpio, Virgo, Leo, Cancer, Capricorn. Ayan. So this is your reading, love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.